Okay, so whenever we monitor automatically, the monitoring system like a CPU performance monitor or a network monitor, application monitor, whatever it is, in general monitoring systems like in iOS or a Zibix or a PRTC network monitors. Okay, these monitoring systems, what it will do. So where it is, here it is, yeah. It monitoring means it collects the data whether it is on, whether it is off, how much disk space is there, how much CPU performance is there. Like every data collects and display the data on the screen, so we can continuously monitor, and also we can automate that process. Okay, okay, we can automate this thing. So what is automate? So I put a condition: if disk is full, okay, send me a warning, or a 80% of the disk is full. I'll put a condition like 80% of the disk is full, then send me a alert or a warning. Okay, send me a alert warning or a notification kind of stuff, or a add a one more hard disk, or maybe server is down, send me alert automatically. Send a alerting system, so then we know something is happened. Or send information, so if a server is down, send information or a alert to server engineers. Okay, server engineers immediately send it. So why? Because so you don't need to wait someone to tell you. So immediately you should give the information. The incident is happened, server is down, go and fix it immediately. Okay, or maybe a CPU is a lot of load on CPU, immediately you have to kill some process, then only you can able to get it. So for example, I will tell you that one also, right? I think I closed this task manager. If you see, it is a CPU is 100% and memory is a 51%. Now 82%. For example, if I close something, where it is, so how many things are running unnecessarily. Yeah, this is my CC cleaner. Just I'm exit from the CC cleaner. So obviously when I exit, so certain space like a CPU on the space on the CPU or a RAM will be it will recover. So if I close some applications running in a background or a foreground, so whatever it is, so the memory utilization, CPU utilization will be less of my PC, right? So like that, when I'm monitoring a server or a desktop or a network kind of stuff, the utilization performance monitoring utilization is high. So either you close unnecessary things, or maybe increase the infrastructure, or share the um, services to other servers kind of stuff. So then we can automate the process in this one also. Next, I said ticketing system, right? So that's what it, trying to connect this point to that one also. So yesterday class we discussed about a service desk. Okay, so we discussed about a service desk or a help desk. Both are almost same, but help desk only for collecting tickets or forwarding escalating tickets only. But service desk also, service desk not only that one. So service desk will respond to the user complaints. It can be fix the issues. So service desk we can not say only for collecting the tickets kind of stuff. So here you can see mm, organizational level or a user level, like yeah, we can put a user level, like this is a user side. So what happened in a one user is get a column. So here I will draw something like this. Here is a one user is there. he got a problem. It means like his system is not working, PC down, his PC is down. Okay, so what he will do, he don't know how to contact technical team for the assistance. He don't know how to contact technical team. um, this is a totally technical team means desktop support engineers. Okay, server engineers, any name we can put it, a network engineer or a analyst, admins. Okay, different namings are there for people who are, you know, helpers, supporters. These are all IT supporting team, and this is the help desk, and this is the user base. Any user, internal or external, that's we discuss. Already we discussed it, so I'm not adding anything now. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, so I got a issue. My PC, some issue is there, so I need to contact these people. So what I do, I can't contact. So what I do, I will tell to service desk. How to tell to service desk people? By call. Okay, telephone, internal telephones is also there, or maybe a mobile or like using a telephone, mobile phone, or anything, by calling or by be direct directly go to there. Usually, if I go to Hyderabad office, usually my I will get this uh, Wi-Fi password issues. Always I Wi-Fi password issues. I'll go to service desk directly. Okay, directly this is the issue. So please solve the issues. Okay, go directly to the service desk and give the complaint. And another one is like a ticketing software is there. Using a ticketing software like a mobile applications are there, system applications also there, or a web access is also there. So ticketing software is there. Using that one also, we can raise the complaint. So if you got some issue like your laptop is not working, your application is not working, your bike is not properly working, your mobile phone is not working, or you transfer some money but money transaction failure, or you purchase some item in Amazon but you didn't receive the thing. Like last time I purchased one SSD along with all other components. I purchased SSD, everything I got it from the Amazon, but SSD I didn't get it. So it shows delivered. So it took almost 1 week to get delivered. Again, I given a raise the complaint. After 3 days, again I raise the complaint. So then I problem is solved. So using a direct call or application, or directly go there and ask for a assistance. Okay. So you this information go to service desk. Whether you call or you went to contact directly, so they will write an incident report. Okay, in the ticketing system they'll write incident report. Alright, they raise the incident. This is the incident is occur. So when it is occur, okay, so better I will put it here. I'm explaining directly a process, then we'll go for a tools also. Okay, so when it is occur, when incident is occur, so then we understand downtime. So when it is occur, for example, morning 10:15. Okay, when it is occur. So where it is occur, who is that candidate given information. So I particularly like will take some names from your group only. Okay, not this one. uh, Srividya Rajesh is there, so we'll take a example from Rajesh. Okay, okay. So for example, Rajesh in a butler cabin in a butler floor, like a third floor, fifth cabin. Okay, Rajesh is a person who got the issue. So from where it is, who given a complaint like that. When it is occur 10:15. So I'll give a example with the time also. Okay, where and who, where as well as who also raised this ticket. So Rajesh in a third floor. Okay, Hyderabad office. Okay, third floor. Fifth cabin. The system is in fifth cube, actually not a cabin. So it's they will call as a cubes. Okay, so third floor and Hyderabad office. Okay, for example, like in a Hyderabad also you can specify if in case your company in a different places, like Cognizant, Tech Mahindra, TCS, different places also there, right? Like High Tech City, Madhapur, maybe Gandipet. So like that. If you have that one, so then also you can specify if in case. Okay, when it is happen, it's what happens. Okay, what happened? Finally, what happened? So PC not working, for example. So how to note down PC is not working, and it is a emergency, like any critical situation, priority. Okay, is any priority is there, like a high priority or a low priority? For example, same time like a server is also repair. Okay, server down, and Rajesh got a PC down. Which one is important? Server is important, right? So like we'll give always a priority order. Okay, and Rajesh want to take a printout from his PC. Data is in his PC, and he has to take that data immediately. He has to send. Now it is priority changes. So like high priority, medium, low, very low, very high, like that. So always we have to put a priority in the different colors manner also, different color manner also, like a very high priority, medium, low priority, like that. Urgency, emergency, like that. We also we can able to do it. And in this incident report also they will put a different kind of stuff. Is it an incident? It means issue. Then definitely it is incident. For example, it is not a issue. Rajesh want to change his RAM. Already 8 GB RAM is there. You want a extra 8 GB. Then we call it as a change. So in incident management, I will notify it is an incident. Then it is incident. If it is required a change, only change. If in case this incident has occurred earlier, then I will put mark this one as a problem. This is not a incident. This is a problem. Okay, because PC is not working for the last 1 month. Is keep with troubleshooting it again and again. It is same thing is repeating. Okay, regularly not working. So then we consider that one as a problem. So what kind of thing happened? Is it incident? Change is required. Problem. Okay, or a service request. Okay, so then we have to specify what it is. If it is incident, so tell the incident, when it is occurred, where it is occurred, who is asking, and what is the priority kind of stuff. Any documents you are attaching, any documents or a comments, any documents, files. So about that one. Next, to whom means you are assigned this ticket. You can assign the ticket from there. So then also this issue. So first of all, the user got an issue, okay, or maybe a request or anything. Contact service desk by telephone, by going directly, or by ticketing software, like that. Not by shouting. Okay, so like call this person and shout it is not working. You don't do that one. So here it is by service desk. What service desk people will do? Yeah, yeah. What it is last? Yeah, ticketing softwares, right? Yeah, I will tell. I will tell. So different softwares are there. Okay, so different softwares are there. I will show you different softwares also. But whatever it is software, common thing is when issues occur, or maybe when user is uh, called to service desk or a help desk, what they will do, what it is, what happened. PC is not working. PC is not working means it is a incident. For example, user asking for a change or a problem or a service request, so they will change this part when it is occur like that. So this is, they'll follow certain patterns, so they will rise in the software, so they will create this ticket in the software. Okay, and they will assign to someone, either by team or a person. For example, this is belongs to desktop support engineer, this is belongs to a butler person will handle this one. So either to a person, assigned to a person or a team. Okay, yeah, person or team, which kind of team it is, like a desktop support engineer team, server engineers team, like that. So it will assign. So just I am trying to explain the entire process. After process, we'll go to the tools again. Okay, so uh, we'll finish this one. So some team, for example, desktop support engineers team, they open the ticket. Okay, so I will change in a different colors of this one, so visible. Okay. This is a desktop support team. Got the ticket, someone take the ticket. Okay, first of all they open the ticket. They open the ticket. So what is the thing in a ticket? What is the matter in the ticket? Also I will explain how to practice this ticketing without installing any applications. I will tell you how to practice also, so then we can understand easily. Okay, open the ticket, read. Okay, read. First check the priority first, because it's lower priority, we'll see it later, no all. Okay, so check the priority. If it is high, immediately respond and read what happened. Next, clarify issue, means what happened exactly. So we should clarify, either clarification from service desk or from here. So clarify the issue, then start SOP. What is SOP? Standard operating procedure. Standard operating procedure, it means already yesterday I showed one place, right? What is standard operating procedure? So it is a troubleshooting method, means if you want to do something, so you have to follow the step by step process. What is standard operating system, operating procedure, sorry, standard operating procedure means step by step process, like how to handle the situation, what is the issue is occurred, analyze the issue, and how to fix it, and fixed it, and make sure it is worked, and documented it, right, like that. Okay, so like that. So follow the standard operating system procedure is like check priority, what happened, clarify the issue. Okay, fix the issue means fix the incident, fix the incident. Okay, verify, fix the issues or a incident. Okay, verify whether it is working or not. Okay, verify working or not. and document it. Document. Okay, so what is a document? Documented. So, or also you can use documented, means you have to note down. So I will write here what happened, and okay, so place is not there, so noting down. Okay, so it's a note down what happened. Okay, what is a note down means what happened, when it is happened, and important thing is what procedure you done to fix the issue. What you done to fix the issue, what you done, what is happened, what you done to fix the issue. So space is not there, that's why I'm telling directly what happened and what you done to fix the issue. Do you change any component? Are you is it working now? You are format the system, or maybe you change some cable, or maybe you disconnected and connected it, or anything what you done to fix the issues, you have to note down. So that is very important, that is very important in a document. Okay, document is very important. Okay, so why it is important? Because you know, these technical support people and all not required to learn everything from scratch, because already previous people fix the issues. So because of this document they understand how to fix the issue, and when you done some solution, so if it is not working, then how to go for another solution also. It means you know how to fix the issues based on the previous one, right? You know, for example, you have a mobile phone, there is a camera issue. Now you fixed it, you know how to fix it. Okay, but some other person don't know how to fix it, but if you documented it, the other person also knows how to fix the issues, like that. So like that, note down the issue, so then other people can easily understand, you will easily understand. If in case your fixing is not working in future, maybe you have to suggest a new fixing. So that is a document is required. Document entire process, and mainly note down what fix you made it. Done. Okay, so now I'll just adjust this one. Okay, verify, documented it, and close. Okay, and right, closer rated things means it is working fine, not working fine, pending. Closer status means working, pending. Okay, and not working, like this is the closer status. Okay, so closer status. Next, sometimes like normally it is a word, but we don't do. But this is a like survey. Okay, what is the spelling of survey? Yeah, correct only. Okay, survey means to the customer, how do you feel, is a fixed on time, now it is working, are you satisfied with my customer approach, right? Like that. So we usually do survey. So this is a complete ticket processing. It means whenever the issue is occur, so what different type of issue it is, like either it is incident change or a problem, or it is, so we approach the service desk or help desk people by directly or telephone or ticketing softwares. So those people will ask you some questions first of all. So what they will do, generally they don't quit, so they'll ask questions. Okay, so they'll ask some questions to the customers. Okay, so based on that, So they will create a report. So it's a two-way communication. Okay, then they will create a ticket. So they will create a ticket. So in the ticket, so they will tell what type of issue it is, and when it is occur, from where it is occur, to whom you should assign, what happened exactly, and what is the priority of it, any documents attached, and assign to a particular person or a team. The team members open the ticket and check the priority, read what happened, clarify what happened, follow the standard operating procedure to fix the issues, and verify if it is fixed or not, and document it. These are three very important things. Okay, mainly verify after fixing, and then documented it. Next, closure is very important. Another one, whether it is now working, any pending is there, not working, so closure issue is there. Once it is completed, take the survey. So are you satisfied with the customer approach, technician approach, and all kind of stuff? We'll take it. This is the total procedure. Okay, I think so. I don't know whether you are understand or not, but guys, are you understand entire procedure?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then it is yes, good. Mm. Okay, actually, Sai sir told me complete this, and as well as boot processing also. But now time is not there. Told to sir only, sir, whatever we discussed today and yesterday, tell to sir, this is sir what we discussed today. Okay. Last one is regard ticketing tools.
Ticketing subject.
Okay. Um,
Ticketing subject.
ticketing softwares are we can say ticketing tools. So different type of tools are there, like a service now. So I will write here. Tools are softwares. So one of the popular is service now nowadays, cloud based one. um, Helix from, yeah, one second, I will- BMC Remedy. Okay, Helix from yeah, Timex. Names are everything is become. Okay, BMC, uh, Helix BMC, ITSM. So then see, this is earlier it is a BMC Remedy name. Now name is changed to Helix. Okay, so this is about Helix. Also, we'll get lot of information about this ITSM also. Okay, it is a free trial. Okay, it is a free trial, and I will tell you how to log in with the free trial also. So you can read a lot of things are there. I will give you this link. Oh, power cut. Okay, so this is free trial BMC Helix. You can go to start a free trial. Just click on a free trial. If you want the documents also, you can read the documents. Demos also you can see. See, like here it is showing. But don't no need to give correct data for one time. So like you want to purchase it for yourself, or maybe you want to use for a few days, so you can give it. But important thing in this free trial, you must give business email ID or a and and business phone number. It means if you are working in a company, the company's mail ID. For example, mine is a latif dot sheikh at the rate savantis.com, and business phone number I have to give, but I should not give, right? So they will call us, and they'll ask you all these things. So yeah, my company people won't agree with that one. Anyway, any company, until unless it is required. But you can give some name, like I put a name. Rajesh is okay, but last time I'll put anything. I'll put a Vedic. So um, some name. So Rajesh at the rate some business mail means not a Gmail, Yahoo Mail. Though that won't work. You have to give like a 70s kind of stuff only. So what I'm giving is Helix be something duplicate, completely duplicate. Okay, so it is showing a green color means okay, that is. So company name, any name, I will put it like a Vedic. Okay, don't give Vedic soft also because it is a company. So telephone number is okay. Any phone number you can give, no problem. And a job level also, like you can give IT professional, state or prominence, country India. Okay, you can give India, like it will be changed. No? So then go to India, Ireland, India. Okay, right. So prominence is like depends upon you. So you can choose it. Give the phone number. If you want, you can check all these things and start your trial. What happened? You can give some something non-existing phone numbers also. You can give, no problem. Start your trial. So you will get a screen. So then you can see different how to like different existing tickets. Okay, like this existing tickets, issues, all these things. So you can access a dashboard just yeah, at least for a spend 1 or 2 hours on that one. Spend 1 or 2 hours of in a the dashboard. So then you will understand how to the, you are understand the environment terminologies, whatever I told, that everything you can understand the terminologies and all. So like this, spend at least 1 or 2 hours on this one. But it works only one time because you are not given a correct email ID. Again you want to access, so compulsory you need a same email ID, password and all correct you should give. But if you given it like duplicate information, so you won't get it. So this is how to start a free trial. So go to the free trial and give some information, and go to the dashboard and all, you will understand how to do it. Okay, you can also go to the products. So you can find lot of monitoring product monitoring tools, ITSM tools and all kind of stuff. Okay, what is this? Yeah, there's a different tools they said. But this is another one, Freshdesk. Freshdesk is a completely email based Freshdesk only. If you want a Freshdesk, then you can use a free account without any credit card and all. But if you give a phone number, they will call you again and again. It's free for unlimited agents. Okay, just it's like not a software, like how you use this one, same thing. It is not a software. You have to create your own project. For first time users, better to go for a BMC remedy. And I will give you another one, is GLPI. GLPI is an application you can download. It's a open source free application. It is a open source free application. So what I type, GLPI, it is a open source application, and it works on a Linux based PCs only. And also you can go for a demo version also there for a demo. Okay, so go to this one. Okay, so this is the demo version. Okay, so go to this demo also. So go to this demo, then you can practice. So you don't know how to install an application and all kind of stuff. And you cannot install in Windows system also, you need a Linux PC for that one, and other settings. So don't worry about it for a first time. So you can see here it is, three type of logins are there, like self service help desk user. So what is this? Like you want to raise the ticket. So what I'm saying, you want to raise the ticket from here, you can use this account. Just you want to raise the ticket only. You want to view the tickets. Just you want to view the ticket and you want to respond the ticket. Then it is a standard user. And you want to become an administrator. It means you can view the tickets, you can raise the ticket, and you can manage the entire application. It is a administrator login. It is very simple. No need to create any account. Very simple. Just admin. You can see administrator. I'm logging as administrator, so then everything we can get it. Admin. Okay. Username admin, password is admin. Just not required. Remind me. Just click on post. Anything. Just see. I log into my that account and a demo version, so I can able to see different things in a ticketing softwares or tools. You can see projects, what are the running projects, inventory, knowledge bases, how many computers are there, monitors are there, softwares are there, network devices are there, enclosures are there, racks are there. Okay. SIM cards are included, global cartridges, printers. Okay, devices. See, here it is. What are the tickets are there? See, so I'm looking at a new ticket here. So these are the tickets. You can see this is the ID. This is the ticket ID, title, route entry, like this. So last update, opening date, priority, high priority, medium priority, low priority, requester, assigned to. Already I don't know requester who requested, assigned to whom I assigned. What is the type of category it is, time to solve it, like this. You can view it. And also you want to create a ticket, also you can create a ticket. I'm creating a ticket. Okay, by pressing, or you can see create a ticket, columns changes, you can see. So I'm creating a ticket, opening date, yeah, today, time, morning 11:15 or 11:10, anything, something. Okay, this is the opening date and time. Time to own, I didn't put it. Time to resolve, I'm not doing that one. So which type is it, incident or request? Only two options are there, so it is an incident only. Then requester is admin. If you are a normal, I put a requester is Adam Eves. Watcher is admin assigned to some person. See, okay. Status, it's a new one, or a pending, or solved, or closed. So new one. Urgency, medium, high, very high, low, very low. So I put a very high, it is very high. Impact, difference is there, urgency and impact. For example, a switch is failed. So 10 computers or 20 computers, network is down. So a switch is failed means it connected to a 20, 30 computers. A 20 computers are not getting internet. It means impact. One system is down, low impact. Multiple systems are down, medium impact or a high impact. A server is down, high impact, right? So based on that, so priority, urgency, impact. So requester source by direct or maybe email, or maybe another, or a phone, or a written. So like this help desk software, or maybe a directly contact, or email, or a telephone. You can see all the terminologies you can see from here. Okay. Location, see location, so from where. Okay, location 1, location 2, where it is, what device it is. Okay. Okay, there is a lot of things. Title, I will put some title on it. Title is PC not working. Okay, so I put a description, PC not. Okay, PC not working. And also I can give some description if any case, like maybe SMPS problem. Okay, well, I'll give some information like this can be a SMPS problem. Any linked tickets are there, maybe any connected tickets, any files or documents you want to send. Otherwise, click on add. Guys, compulsory try GLPI, even it is look like a small software like that, compared to Helix and ServiceNow kind of stuff, but you will understand very easily how to raise the ticket, how to look at the ticket and all. See, the ticket is there. Now I'm going to tickets. Okay, so look at, this is the ticket, this is the ID, it's a processing assigned, very high priority, requester, request, category and solve, it is not given here. I'm going to open this ticket again. See, PC not working, this is the ticket I raised. Nothing will happen if you open the ticket like this. See, here it is. Okay, if you raise a ticket, nothing will happen because it is demo version. So no need to worry about if I do something mistake, there will be a mistake or some problem will occur to you. Nothing, it is a demo version, it's completely demo free. If you once you log out, all your data will be deleted anyway. So you want to add a follow-ups, task, documents, any approvals are there, maybe you want to change SMPS, so you have to wait for approval solution like that, so you can find it. You can see this is a processing ticket. So what is the ticket? See, you can see time to own. Okay, so like this, time to own by 12 o'clock, none. Okay, when it is time, last update is like this, and time to own, time to solve maybe by evening, by maybe at 2 o'clock it will be solved. Okay, so you can change, you are a person who is doing this troubleshooting. Okay, like if you want to add any description for it, or maybe you want to add and change something, you can do it. Statistics, opening date, like this is having some different timing, that's why it is not showing like this. Approvals, any approvals are there, waiting for approval, refused, granted. Knowledge base, related to that issue, you can find a knowledge base also, like that. Something it is like we don't have any problems, so it is not a just incident. If it is a problem, then create a problem from this ticket, you can create it. Or maybe it required changes, maybe SMPS required, so create a change from this ticket. Same thing only. So I put a category something. No. Yeah, you have to add those information here, change kind of stuff. Okay, so try this one. All the things like create a new ticket, add a new ticket, all kind of stuff. Very simple. Just I am going to log out, and also you can see management tools and administration. Very simple. Go to demo.glpi, which is I given here. So you can see, go to this link and type admin and admin. Next, once you are done, go to normal, post only. You can copy paste this username and password, so you'll understand how to raise the ticket, how to read the ticket, and all. So this is one of the easiest tool. I'm not giving a very big list of different type of tools, but I'm trying to give what we can able to access. Okay, like this. Yeah. Any questions or anything? Okay, so I told about Helix and GLPI, and of course, fresh desk, fresh desk is you can create your own project and all. You can use a free trial version, but again, to do it you need a email id. You can use your gmail id or any secondary email id. It is a 21 days free trial version. You will get it. It's completely online, so no need to download any application here. So this is a fresh desk. GLPA won't give you any confusion. Even this is BMC also won't give you any confusion. Okay, so this is one of the regular tools we use it. Okay, or came. Okay, Joho. This is another tool. Okay, Joho, Atlassian, Zira is also there. Atlassian help desk tool is also there. I will go back and I will type here separately. Zira. This is a Jira help desk or a service desk. So you can see here also free. You can download and you can use it. Jira also. Jira is also very powerful nowadays. And it is a full tracking issue tracking system. Jira having a issue tracking system means when you are doing some project, some issue is occurred, not only just raising a ticket and also full track report is there on a, what is the status of current issue, current one, and all kind of stuff. Yeah, forget to tell SLA, so but I will tell that one also. Service level agreement. Okay, so like Jira softwares, you can go to Jira software, service management, Confluence, okay, Bitbucket, like these are products of Jira, Atlassian products. So this is the Jira software is all pro software, and also Jira having a service management one. Okay, so this is another link I shared. So many free ticketing system is also there, like OS ticket. OS ticket is also a free ticketing system. So you can OS ticket. Mm. So OS ticket is open source ticketing system. So you need to pay anything generally by starters. Like open source is there. So community support, email integration support is there. Except that one, these features you won't get it. If you want, you have to pay. Okay, but this is a OS ticket. Anybody can able to use it. So you can download and you can utilize. This is the another one is a open OS ticket kind of stuff. Okay, so go to the features. Download versions are there, but you can go to features. How fields are there, like that you can get it. Um, so many tools are there, but most useful in the market and easy. Yeah, here it is. Total. They given some 15 tools. Okay. So these are the list of getting goods. Okay, so top 15. Other than this, also so many monitoring and ticketing tools are available. Okay, guys, I it's already 1 o'clock. Um, One important thing like SLA and OLA. I didn't discuss this thing. SLA means service level uh, agreement. OLA operational level agreement. Okay, so compulsory go through once, and also told to Sai sir in afternoon class at afternoon. Sai class. Okay, Sai class is there now. So what to do? Tell him what we done, like we discussed about a service desk and monitoring and tools for monitoring tools. Okay, and event. I explained about event alert. Next incident problem. Okay, I explained about the incident problem change. If he sir, I want to add anything for a change. Also, you can add. There are a lot of things also there. Change management. I didn't tell. Okay, so that is tab change management. Okay. Change advisory board. That is okay. Service request. So I discussed these things and also monitoring related tools also we discussed. And what we discussed other things is um, ticketing tools and process. So how service desk process is available. Okay. Okay, guys. I didn't discuss this thing. Okay. So compulsory tell to sir about SLA and OLA. I didn't discuss. We don't have a time now. So told to sir explain about for Sai sir. This is for Sai sir compulsory. What we discussed, what we not discuss. Okay. So ask these things. SLA, OLA, change advisory board. Okay. CMDB. Okay. CMDB. What is CMDB? SOP. Next, nothing. Nothing we discussed about hardware. Okay. Nothing about hardware. So we didn't discuss anything about hardware. Okay. So afternoon, compulsory remember sir class. Tell to sir anyone of you, sir, what we discussed in the morning session and what we are not discussed. Because whenever we discuss this one, this will be covered. This is not covered. Okay. So then compulsory SLA, OLA, what is a change advisory board, change related things. Okay. Configuration management database, SOP. Okay. And we also not discussed about hardware. Otherwise, miscommunication will happen. Anyway, I will share this one or to you in a group. Okay. Now tell me who is talking with any doubts. Please tell me.
Sir, there is no doubt, but in the GoToMeet app, almost 5 GB is consumed. We don't
Okay.
have much data. So is that possible to continue the meeting in Microsoft Teams or something like that?
Afternoon class, you can just ask sir or maybe in put it in a group. Okay. Put in our group. Tell this is the sir at the rate Sai sir. So we are getting a issue from GoToMeeting. So it is consuming more data. Data is not available in this one. So ask sir.
Yeah.
Okay, compulsory. Sir, can you conduct using any Google Meet or a Zoom meeting or any other things? Okay. So sir will change it.
Yeah. Sure.
Okay. Like maybe tell him
Yeah,
clearly
sure,
like
sure. Thank you so much.
two meetings also okay. Two meetings like me. One is like a go-to meeting, another one is a Google Meet. Okay, so ask
Okay.
sir, like some people will join like that. Okay, okay, guys.
Okay.
I think tomorrow morning also Sai Prasad sir will take the class. Okay, so confirm with the sir only. Bye bye to, for today. All the best.